Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila, and for today I prepared for you a new stitch in knitting. I've got needles size number 5.5. Yarn, it's a simple yarn, it's acrylic yarn, and it's light blue color. I think it will be, I just hope it's enough for you to see well how I do this pattern, so you can learn it. So I've got 20 stitches on my needle, and my advice would be, when you start knitting this pattern, please do the first row, the cast on, please do with the way you like it, the way you prefer, the way you know it. So you cast on, then on another 2 rows, the front row and the wrong side, you knit with a purl stitch, with a front stitch. So basically the first row you cast on, the first row when you actually knit, you do front stitches on the whole row, and on the back you also do front stitches, and this would help for the edging not to curve. So basically it will help the garment to be like so. This is how I've done at the bottom, so it doesn't bend, it doesn't curl up, and it stays as it should. And then you start the row with the stitches, the stitch that I've got for you today to show you. And now we do not need the first loop, and we've got 3 stitches, 3 front stitches. And what we need to do is to take this right needle and go through the middle stitch, so basically not behind the second loop, the middle loop, but actually inside the second loop. So basically for it to be open, so you help it with the fingers to open up, and you penetrate this loop. You grab from the inside the yarn, then we hold it with a finger, then we do yarn over, and then all these 3 front stitches we knit them together like so. So from 3 stitches we make 3 stitches. So again, 3 front stitches, we go through this middle loop, the second loop, we grab the yarn, we hold it with a finger, then we do yarn over from behind, we hold it, and then these 3 loops we knit it as a 1 front stitch, basically from the inside of these 3 stitches. Again, we go the second, we grab the yarn like so, we rotate it and get the yarn over, and these 3 loops we knit them together with a front stitch like so, and then you release. Again, you do the same thing, yarn over, 3 together like so. So the second 3 inside, we hold it, we get the yarn, yarn over and 3 loops together. So from 3 we make 3. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, it's a purl stitch. Then what we need to do is knit second row all with purl stitches. That's how easy it is, this stitch. So all purl stitches, every single one of them purl stitches. Now we are left with 2 more rows, but these 2 rows, you know it because it's so simple. It's great. This stitch is good for beginners, so don't be shy to try it. So the first loop we do not need. So this is already the 3rd row. So on the 3rd row, in the 3rd row, we need everything with a front stitch. Everything, all this row with a front stitches apart from the last loop, it's a purl stitch. So this is front stitch, everything front stitch. And the last one is a purl stitch. Reverse the work, and we need everything now on the 4th row with a purl stitch. Everything with a purl stitch. Purl, purl, purl stitch. The next row is again the 1st row, which is the row that changes the pattern into a very interesting pattern, interesting stitch. So we do not need the 1st loop, we penetrate the 2nd loop, we grab the yarn like so, hold it with a finger, rotate and grab the yarn. So this is a yarn over, and then all these 3 loops we knit it with a front stitch all together, and then again we repeat the same thing again and again. So this is the stitch, and I hope you loved it. And this is how it looks like. On the back it's all plain. This is how it looks like, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. It's slightly open work because you can see these gaps, so it's stunning. I would say it's even a type of open work here, like a cable stitch a bit. It's a bit similar to cable stitch, but it's a bit more open work than cable stitch. But it's very lovely. I think it's pretty, it's beautiful with blocking the garment which you are knitting with this stitch would be just fantastic looking. You can knit basically everything from hats to anything with this stitch. It's fantastic. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos, and please don't feel shy. Please write comments below. And what else would you like me to teach on my channel? to show you something on my channel, something new maybe. Your suggestions would do anything for me. So thank you very much for everything. I'm Vanila. See you soon in another video. Bye.